Exquisite Coffee Gelatin Dessert Recipe, Irresistible Coffee Flavors. Hello, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for you, a delightful coffee gelatin dessert that combines the rich, robust flavor of coffee with a silky, smooth texture. It's not only a feast for your taste buds but also a visual delight. So, let's dive into this heavenly coffee creation. Ingredients: 2 cups strong brewed coffee, 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 1/4 cup cold water, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, whipped cream, for garnish, coffee beans, optional, for decoration. Instructions. Brew the coffee. Start by brewing 2 cups of strong coffee. You want that deep, intense coffee flavor to shine through in your dessert. Sweeten the coffee in a mixing bowl. Combine the brewed coffee, sweetened condensed milk, and sugar. Mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. This will give your dessert the perfect balance of sweetness and coffee goodness. Bloom the gelatin in a separate bowl. Sprinkle the gelatin over cold water. Allow it to sit for a few minutes until it blooms and becomes soft. Dissolve the gelatin. Once the gelatin has bloomed, gently heat it until fully dissolved. You can do this by placing the bowl in a pan of hot water or using the microwave in short intervals. Combine coffee mixture and gelatin. Pour the dissolved gelatin into the coffee mixture and stir well. Make sure the gelatin is evenly distributed for a smooth texture. Add vanilla extract. Enhance the flavor with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will add a subtle sweetness and depth to your coffee gelatin. Pour into molds. Carefully pour the coffee mixture into your desired molds. You can use individual serving cups or a large mold for a stunning presentation. Chill in the refrigerator. Place the molds in the refrigerator and let the coffee gelatin set for at least 4 hours or until firm. Garnish and serve once set. Remove the gelatin from the molds. Top each serving with a dollop of whipped cream and, if you like, decorate with a few coffee beans for that extra flair. Enjoy your coffee creation. Your coffee gelatin dessert is now ready to be enjoyed. The combination of the rich coffee flavor and the smooth texture of the gelatin will leave you craving for more. Thank you for joining us today on this coffee adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious creations, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy brewing and happy eating. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.